Pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, are not only delicious but also packed with health benefits. Here are some of the health benefits of pumpkin seeds. Nutrient-rich, pumpkin seeds are a good source of essential nutrients like magnesium, zinc, iron, protein, and healthy fats. High in antioxidants, pumpkin seeds are rich in antioxidants, including vitamin E and carotenoids, which help protect the body against free radicals and oxidative stress. Heart healthy. The high levels of magnesium, potassium, and antioxidants in pumpkin seeds contribute to heart health by supporting healthy blood pressure, reducing cholesterol levels, and improving overall cardiovascular function. Promote prostate health. Pumpkin seeds have been linked to improved prostate health in men due to their high zinc content. Zinc plays a crucial role in prostate health and may help reduce the risk of prostate-related issues. Support immune function. Pumpkin seeds contain antioxidants and nutrients that support a healthy immune system, helping the body fight off infections and diseases. Aid in digestion. The fiber content in pumpkin seeds can aid in digestion and promote regular bowel movements. They can also help maintain a healthy gut microbiome. May aid in sleep and mood regulation. Pumpkin seeds contain tryptophan, an amino acid that helps the body produce serotonin, a neurotransmitter associated with mood regulation and sleep quality. Weight management. The fiber and protein in pumpkin seeds can help promote feelings of fullness, curb cravings, and support weight management goals. Remember to enjoy pumpkin seeds in moderation as they are calorie-dense. Roasting or toasting them can enhance their flavor and texture. Thanks for watching my video. If this is your first time on my channel, please consider subscribing. If you liked my video, please do like and post your suggestions in the comments.